Hey everyone, this is your host, Zombie Girl Killer with you, stands for Unicorn Queen. And I just want to ask for perhaps before we get this video started. Hell around my wonderful fuck page and do not change the world. Yes. How you guys doing? Today? So I'm going to do a short little mukbang. Is it mukbang? I don't motherfucking know. I'm going to eat on cam. Hold on, let me get my water. So I'm going to eat on cam because a lot of people assume that I lied about eating on cam, which is weird because I think I already have a video on here. So it's gonna be a short video. I had thought it'd be proper to be kitty cat today. And let me just yeah, it's like a quick little lunch. Hopefully I can get some burps in here for you guys. I'm a pig and I don't care. I really don't. I'm almost done. Broccoli rice, oh my god, best thing ever. And bells ringing, jingling, dingling. Yep, so guys, OnlyFans stuff right now. I can't really show exactly what I'm wearing, but as you guys could tell, it's like a little mouse or a cat or some bullshit. I don't fucking know. These look like mouse ears, but the tail, it's a fucking cat tail. So I don't know what the fuck I don't know what the fuck they assumed, but big ass burp for the last of the taking. Or what is it? The final countdown. What the fuck? Last minute. I don't know. Fuck. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to see more of my OnlyFans stuff, you guys can see the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see more videos of me eating on video, wow, how many times have I said video already? Fuck. I do a lot of random shit on here, as you guys can tell, but I think I'm gonna make a very, very descriptive video, basically a preview of what my whole channel is gonna be about. And I would really love your guys' support. If you guys like farts, burps, armpit hair, fucking feet, whatever the fuck, streaming, video games, like cosplay, modeling, etc., dancing, all that good shit, subscribe, because that's what my YouTube channel is. So thank you guys for watching, and your Unicorn Queen is out.